Starting around 05 November 2023, Star Atlas DAO Quite is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in actually quite most recent 1 hour in an entirely significant manner in a significant way. Polis basically certainly has an especially lovely complete market cap of $18,719,822 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,103, which fundamentally certainly is genuinely critical, which generally is genuinely huge. This generally sort of makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, quite of positioning at 586 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO especially in a real sense be somewhat extremely worth in 2023, sort of fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Star Atlas DAO an actually certainly wise speculation or by and large in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023, which generally most certainly is very huge? Will Polis cost super outperform its unequaled reasonably fundamentally high in a sort of huge manner, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? These basically explicitly are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost truly generally is supposed to commonly basically cross a truly lovely normal value level of 12 cents. The normal decently kind of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the by and large really current year ought to basically in a real sense be 12 cents, or so they for the most part thought, which essentially is genuinely huge. Besides, Polis can basically sort of arrive at a by and large fundamentally greatest value level of 13 cents, which for the most part generally is very critical, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO generally in a real sense is in a real sense commonly anticipated to for the most part in every way that really matters reach at a sort of genuinely least worth of $0.096 in August 2023 in a by and large significant manner, or so they especially thought. The Polis cost could especially truly arrive at a fundamentally truly most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the genuinely sort of normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, in a very in every practical sense, significant way in an exceptionally enormous way. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost by and large especially is supposed to by and large truly reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023. While the truly normal cost of Polis for the September entirely the most part remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture October 2023, the fundamentally normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could especially basically go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, decently truly in opposition to mainstream thinking in a really significant manner. Polis could in a real sense by and large be exchanging around an especially fundamentally most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the by and large especially least expected cost of 11 cents, in a very all things considered, significant way, or so they basically thought. Polis value figure November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas DAO certainly truly is supposed to especially truly arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of 11 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Polis cost could in a real sense explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 12 cents, with the truly kind of typical cost around 12 cents, or so they basically especially thought in a fundamentally significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally especially is supposed to basically essentially be at around a very genuinely least of 12 cents, actually especially as opposed to mainstream thinking amazingly. Star Atlas DAO cost can for the most part basically arrive at a fundamentally exceptionally limit of 13 cents, with the very lovely typical cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, which entirely is very critical, showing how Star Atlas DAO value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is supposed to basically essentially be at around a very especially least of 12 cents. Truly lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they especially thought. Star Atlas DAO pretty in every practical sense, past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, The Star Atlas DAO's cost, essentially all things considered, has shown a great increment of 2.58% in the kind of most recent 24 hours. Certainly fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking in a genuinely huge manner. Star Atlas DAO for the most part generally is confronting an actually genuinely tough time jumping aboard with essentially certainly other crypto coins, which in every practical sense by and large shows that this explicitly for the most part makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, by and large genuinely positioning at 586 in the digital money market in a genuinely enormous manner. The Polis by and large fundamentally is down to nearly 2.19% in the especially kind of most recent 7 days, so Polis basically sort of has a kind of by and large complete market cap of $18,719,822 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,103 in an unobtrusive manner in every way that really matters in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for actually especially beyond couple of days. The coin could actually basically have areas of strength for essentially however, we don't basically explicitly feel that it would a productive resource in kind of momentary in an unobtrusive manner, which especially is genuinely critical. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis entirely diminished by 51.641%, dispensing with an incredible actually by and large normal amount of 13 cents from its kind of in every way that really matters current worth, which especially basically is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense truly implies that the coin entirely is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically truly be a decently excellent very purchase a valuable open door for pretty buy and large fast speculation, which generally explicitly is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO Value Figure 2023 Facts. What will especially be Star Atlas DAO sort of exceptionally worth in 2023, which fundamentally for the most part is genuinely critical, so certainly is Star Atlas DAO, an actually by and large wise venture, or for the most part really worth purchasing in 2023, which generally certainly is very huge. The Polis cost is gauged to generally arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 13 cents, with kind of in every practical sense, least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an actually certainly significant manner, which sort of is very critical. Star's Atlas DAO in every practical sense, especially have a future, or so they sort of in every way that really matters, thought. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO basically generally has an extraordinary kind of beautiful potential to basically arrive at new levels, so Polis actually basically has an entirely complete market cap of $18,719,822 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,103